first. That shingle's tearing right there. Another tear. That tore. Damn it. That thing's tearing all the way up to here. All the way up to there. Prongs are breaking through. Damn it. That ain't good. Damn it. Whole shingle's tearing. Should try to come from this side. Nope. That one's breaking. It ain't gonna be able to, it ain't gonna repair right. Damn it. Yeah, the shingle's too brittle. Way too brittle. It's tearing like crazy. Alright. Go ahead and break this loose. That one's too brittle too. Nope, that one's tearing too. I can't break them loose without a tear. Every single one of those shingles that I'm hitting is freaking tearing. Man. Can't really do it. There's no way to repair that.